Westermans here with 4 Magnatech Pipeliner 2 Orbital Welders. These are obviously course set up with MIG on Fronius Transpulse 4000 MIGs with the V4000 wire feed unit, or the MPS 4000 wire drive as Magnatech calls. These are water cooled power sources. The Pipeliner has oscillation, travel, AVC, and comes with a remote control. There's 4 units available. Machines will either be sold as is or fully serviced to order. There's also a selection of rings, and we can also offer new rings if we don't have the correct rings in stock. As you can see from these, machines are in extremely good condition. There's also a selection of spares and obviously rings of various sizes. More details can be found on westermans.com or emailing welding@westermans.com. Like I say, these can be sold as is or fully serviced to order with warranty. Shipping worldwide. Perfect machine for doing heavy wall thickness with MIG with the Pipeliner. Thank you for looking. More details, like I say, available online. We also do a selection of welding rotators, positioners, orbital TIG, column and booms, seam welders, machine tools, general MIG and TIG, and various other machines. Thank you for looking.